channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a beautiful exercise called mirror activity, which is going to help you enhance your self-love. Yes, when you love yourself is when you can share that love to all people around you and also generate a lot of positivity into your life. And here is the activity for you. The name of the activity is called mirror activity. In this mirror activity, every day before you start your day, when you get ready and you are fresh to start your day, stand before the mirror, see into your eyes and give a smile to yourself and start talking positively about you and start talking a lot of positive things about you. You can tell to yourself, seeing the mirror, statements like, today you're going to have a great day. You have an amazing smile. You look so smart and your day is going to be great. You're going to have a lot of good friends around you. You're going to have the business contract that is waiting for you. Get clicked and complete today. Your clients are going to appreciate you. And so many positive things that you want to attract into your life. Look into your eyes and tell that all to yourself. This will enhance your confidence and also enhance the self-love inside you. Wishing you happiness and success. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today. And please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.